In this video, I will share with you how to create a logo for free using Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Now go to websites. And if you're like me, you already have a website built using Hostinger website builder, click on this edit website button. But if you don't have a website yet, it's simple. Just click on this add website button and select Hostinger website builder. Here, if you want to create your website using Hostinger AI website builder, you can fill in your brand name and your project or website description and hit this create a website button. In my case, I will speed things up, so I will use pre-made templates. Now, after arriving to this website builder page, click on this header section and click on edit header. Click on logo tab and here select use AI to create a unique logo. A new window pops up. Here make sure to select create yourself instead of create with AI. Now fill in your website name, for example, or logo. In my case, I will go with blade and brush. This is my website logo, and here you can add a slogan, for example, your hair cuts with us, for example. I don't know, but in my case, I will not add a slogan to this website. And here you can see, or you can check between this text font. For example, this is the first logo, this is the second design, this is the third one. I highly recommend checking this recommended fonts. This is a third. This is another stylish logo. This is another friendly. This is a comic style. This is a sharp and stylish and professional logo theme. This one, it's similar to food logos. This is similar to beds companies logos. This is a jewelry logo design. This is something in between professional and usual. This is another logo type, and this is a writing or handwriting logo. After selecting your correct logo text font, let's go with this text font, or let me find this one. This one, I like this design. Click on this download button, and as you can see, my logo files are downloaded in a zip or in a compressed file. Let's unzip it by double clicking. This is the favicon and this is the logo. Now to use this logo for your Hostinger website, just go back to the website builder and click here on replace image and click on this upload files button. Locate your new logo on your computer. This is it. Double click it and click on this select button. This is my new logo, and first let's make it a little bit bigger using this slide. Now if I click on this go live button and view my website live, and this is my new logo. And this is how to create a logo for free using Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.